Hi, I'm Dr. Mason Florence, and I'm a physician at Athens Orthopedic Clinic. I specialize in adult reconstruction, specifically total knee and hip replacement, as well as foot and ankle surgery. Athens Orthopedic Clinic continues to grow, and I'm happy to be a part of that growth. I'm now performing total joint replacements of the hip, knee, and ankle to better serve our patients in Snellville, Loganville, and Covington. Patients oftentimes come to me in severe, debilitating pain. They have significantly reduced quality of life. It's rewarding to me to work with the patient to alleviate their pain and allow them to return back to the activities that they love and desire. I'm excited about the Mako SmartRobotic system. This system uses innovative technology to create a personal surgical plan for the total knee or hip replacement. We can then combine this with the Mako robotic surgical arm for precise anatomical cuts during the surgical procedure. The Mako SmartRobotic system means for myself and patients that there's improved overall outcomes in total knee and hip replacements. This is done by improved alignment, minimizing the soft tissue damage during the procedure, which then allows for faster recovery, reduced pain medications, and overall improved outcomes and longevity. Getting people out of pain is something we do every day at AOC, and I'm very proud of that.